skincare mistakes that are damaging your face. Have you ever thought why the same tips about skincare keep repeating in various articles in all kinds of magazines? The reason is not in the fact that editors lack fantasy, but in the fact that most readers simply don't follow the simple advice that's offered. Perhaps it's time to stop wasting money on expensive cosmetics that promise miracles and just start from the basics. We at Brightside don't want to overestimate the power of affecting your life, but still, we will try to protect you from 10 of the most widespread mistakes when it comes to taking care of the face. Don't miss our bonus about the benefits of a banana peel at the end. 1. You change your cosmetics too often. It is not easy to resist the purchase of another face cream or serum when magazines keep showing us endless compilations of the best beauty products of the season, while cosmetic stores keep announcing discounts and sales. However, it's still worth doing your best to resist it, especially if you already have several items at home that suit you completely. Perhaps you are afraid that your skin could adjust to the old cosmetics, and that's why you keep changing cosmetic items in order to get a better effect? It's all in vain because your skin doesn't adjust to skincare products, while a newly bought cream can become the reason for an allergic reaction. 2. You use a facial scrub on a daily basis. Our skin regenerates without any extra help. However, we still keep using scrubs in order to speed up this process. Yes, scrubs can help your skin peel faster, as well as cleanse your skin, but if you do it on a daily basis, you risk depriving your skin of its protective layer. Generally speaking, scrubs and rough brushes are not the best solutions for cleansing the face. We recommend replacing them with light chemical peelings. And we don't mean expensive procedures at beauty salons. Nowadays, there are many items for home use that can softly and painlessly remove dead skin cells. For example, almond peeling can be done at home and even in summer without the risk of pigmentation. 3. You refuse using makeup removers. In an effort to simplify your evening skincare routine, you may be washing off the makeup and dust of a large city with one cleanser or just water. However, by doing so, not only do you save a couple of minutes, but you also leave cosmetic particles on your face, and that can lead to the clogging of the pores, acne, and an increase in the oil content of the skin. That's why before washing your face, it's better to use a makeup remover such as micellar water, cleansing oil, or cleansing balm. They are not useless bottles invented to empty your wallet. They're necessary products if you want the best for your skin. 4. You use the same pillowcase for 2 weeks. Even if you wash your hair and thoroughly cleanse your face every evening before going to sleep, your pillowcase stores dust, particles of epithelium, including the epithelium of a person you are sharing your bed with, and pet hair. After 2-3 days, your pillow has the perfect conditions to enrich your face with blemishes. If you don't want to see blemishes on your face in the morning, change the pillowcase once every 2 days. And also try replacing it with the one made of silk. It will give you more chances not only to protect your face from rashes, but also from premature wrinkles. 5. You don't use toner. Toner is a product that restores the pH balance of the skin and prepares it for further procedures. Even a usual moisturizing cream works more effectively with a toner. Moreover, it's necessary to use it after traumatizing procedures such as chemical peels. By including it in a set of necessary beauty products, you are most likely to avoid skin problems such as dryness, irritation, and rashes. The main thing is to find a product that doesn't contain alcohol, otherwise, the situation will be exactly the opposite. 6. You use powder to remove oily shine. The face shines 24/7 and no matting products can help. This can really be an issue in the summer. And that's when many reach for the face powder to get rid of the shine. Unfortunately, it can't keep the skin matte for a long time, especially when it's very hot outside, but it will definitely clog the pores. Instead of trying to disguise the oily shine with powder, try matting wipes. They won't provide a long-lasting effect, but at least will remove unnecessary oil from the face without adding anything. 7. You correct your eyebrows before applying makeup. If you suddenly find extra hairs in the brow area or above the upper lip, leave them as they are till the evening. It's unlikely that someone will pay attention to them, while the redness or the inflammation on the spot of a plucked hair will be visible to anyone no matter how much makeup foundation you use. If you do decide to correct your eyebrows, it's worth waiting no less than 2 hours before applying cream or decorative cosmetics to the treated area. 8. You wash your face before taking a shower. Of course, you can wash your face whenever you feel like washing it, but it's better to wash your face with a small amount of a cleanser once again after taking a shower. skincare products often contain silicones, parabens, and other chemicals that make hair smooth and soft. Unfortunately, they are not as useful for the face. Conversely, by staying on the skin, they can cause irritation, redness, or worsen already existing acne. That's why we recommend removing cosmetics from your face before taking a shower and conduct a final wash of the face after you have washed your hair. 9. You don't apply skincare products before going to sleep. After wearing makeup for the entire day, you may not want to have anything on your face at all. However, your skin will restore better if you apply a night cream, a serum, or a mask. The active substances contained in these products neutralize the negative effect of decorative cosmetics and help your face look fresh. 10. You don't use SPF products on cloudy days. It seems that everyone who cares about staying young and beautiful has realized the importance of protection from UV rays. But though many people use an SPF product on sunny days even in the city and not only at the beach, still, many of them forget about protection from the sun on cloudy days. Unfortunately, harmful ultraviolet radiation is always there, even in cold Scandinavian countries. That's why it's necessary to protect your skin all year round. You don't need to use special sunscreen products when it's cloudy outside. Simply buy a moisturizing SPF 30 cream and it will be enough for the health of your skin. Bonus, how can a banana peel help your skin? Very often, the solutions to skincare issues can be found in simple things like a banana peel. It possesses a number of benefits such as fighting puffy eyes, place the inner side of a banana peel over your eyes for a few minutes, reducing wrinkles, rub the peel on the targeted areas and rinse after 30 minutes, treating acne and papillomas, rub the targeted areas for several minutes 3 times per day, uneven whitening teeth, rub gently over your teeth for a few minutes 1-2 times a day. Which of these mistakes do you make? Are you going to change your habits? Please tell us about it in the comments.